Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the setting up the local environment and the workspace. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the guide where we can set up the environment for the Angular development. So first of all, we have to go with the Angular CLI which we have installed in the last video. Now we are going to set up the project with the help of the command that is ng new project name. If I go over there, here you can see that ng new test app. So I'm going to create my app name is test app. Okay, after this it will ask you which style sheet format would you like to use. So up using the arrow key, select that one. I'm comfortable with the CSS. I will use the CSS. Do you want to enable the server side rendering or the static side generations? Depends on to you. So currently I want it, yes. And do you want to use the server routing and the app engine APIs? Yes. And it will give you the full-fledged Angular structure with the node modules installed into your folder. Okay, so it's installing the packages. Let's see how much time it will take. Previously I have making it, but it still take time, okay, for generating that one. So let's wait how much time it will take. Okay, now here you can see that we have successfully installed the project. Now we have to run this project. Okay, so here we have the command to run this project, that is, this is for global installation of the CLI which we have already done. This is for the s- Linux part, the same one, Angular CLI workspace we have created. Go to that app. Okay, so here we have to go to that app, cd test app. Okay, and now after this we have to go with the ng, this one, ngserve or ngserve open. ngserve command launches the server, watches your files, and well rebuilds the app and reloads. Open just for optional automatically opens a browser to this to view your generated application. Okay, so here you can see that if you go with ngserve, okay, sorry, ngserve. So here you can see that, do you want to get the Angular CLI analytics? No. So here you can see that building and it will give you the local and you can open it. So here you can see that we have successfully installed our application. Okay, and here you can see that the Angular version, which Angular version I'm using, I will show you. So here you can see that code. So in the packet.json you will get the Angular version. Okay, so I'm using the Angular 19. Okay, so we are working on the Angular 19, right? So all the tutorials related to the Angular 19. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.